Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background in any photo using CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is add the photo that you want to remove its background into CapCut. Let's say I want to remove this background right here. Click on the photo and after that find the remove BG options, this one. And here you can use the auto removal to make it easier for you to remove the background. As you guys can see here, the background will automatically remove, and you can adjust the position of the object in a photo. Or you can also use the brush on the remove BG. So let's try to remove the background of this car. Click on the remove BG and use the custom removal. You can use a quick brush if you are a CapCut Pro user, or you can just use this brush. So let's just brush the object that you want to remove the background. Okay, so CapCut will detect the object. Just click on the check icon and you can see now the background is removed. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.